Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you're not sure which one to use, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Windows is right for you. Let's start with performance. If all you do is browse the web, watch YouTube, or work on documents, honestly, both Windows 10 and Windows 11 do the job really well. But if you've got a newer PC, Windows 11 feels a bit smoother, especially when you're switching between apps or running multiple programs at once. Now let's talk about the design. This is probably the biggest difference you'll notice. Windows 11 has a cleaner, more modern look. The start menu is centered, the corners around it, and everything just feels more polished. Windows 10 isn't bad at all, it just looks a little older in comparison. If you play games, Windows 11 is the better pick. It comes with features that can make games load faster and look even better as long as your hardware supports them. But here's where Windows 10 still wins. If you're using an older computer, Windows 10 is usually the safer choice. It runs well on older hardware, while Windows 11 has stricter requirements that many older PCs simply don't meet. One more thing you should know. Windows 10 is reaching the end of its life, which means it won't keep getting free security updates forever. So if your computer supports Windows 11, it's a good idea to make the switch. So, which one should you choose? If you have a newer PC, go with Windows 11. It looks better, feels smoother, and it's built for the future. But if your older computer is running Windows 10 without any problems, there's no need to rush. You can keep using it until you're ready for a new machine. Now I want to hear from you. Are you still using Windows 10 or have you already switched to Windows 11? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech videos.